Hey, y'all, come look at this.
But I think I would like to remind the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council that the matters of gates, the matters of Otkilo are again replaying in very extreme conditions. I would like to ask them what are they doing to ensure that farmers are not seen giving away their produce free of cost to citizens.
अच्छा ठीक है
These are important concerns. I have no idea what were the actual active factors that led to that, but I regret that that has happened.
Jangan kuat benda tu ipitang kawai. Pi bun Sien Shwa ban keren tu ada Pyrkhat. Dei ban Pyrkhat sis pak Sien. Kenang bakanum kerto asladi.